Hello, I'm Dr. Petra Steinbuchel, Director of the UCSF Benioff Children's Hospital's Child and Adolescent Psychiatry portal. Wildfires continue to have a big impact on much of the West. They result in polluted air filled with tiny particles, or particulate matter. Breathing particulate matter, or PM, may cause asthma and dangerous asthma attacks, as well as other health issues. Stress from wildfire events and evacuations can also increase the risk for asthma attacks. COVID-19 and more frequent and increasingly devastating wildfires have changed many of our routines. Childcare, work, school, as well as social and playtime have all been seriously affected. This can cause great stress and worry for both children and adults. Rates of anxiety and depression have increased for a significant number of individuals of all ages. Returning to routines and rituals and connecting with others can help decrease stress, anxiety, and feelings of uncertainty. It is essential for us also to focus on what we can do, on creating and fulfilling a sense of purpose, rather than on what we cannot do. This includes planning in advance for emergencies, such as wildfires. Not only will you feel more prepared, but you will also help to support your family's emotional safety and well-being. Please visit these websites for more information on how you can care for yourself and your family.